In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these trending navigation designs in Power BI. So first, I'm going to show you how to create this design with blue button and white background. And then we'll move to this navigation design with gray background. It is going to be very quick and helpful design that you can use in your dashboard. This design can be used either in the bookmark navigation or in the page navigation. I'm going to show you using the bookmark navigation. So for that, we will have to create two bookmarks. Let's open the bookmark pane, and from here we can add two bookmarks, bookmark 2 and bookmark 3. We can rename it to chart and this one to table. So you can create the respective bookmarks. After that, you can control plus click so that you can select these two bookmarks, and then you can right click and click on group so that it will create a group which will have these two bookmarks. So why we have grouped these two bookmarks? In order to use the bookmark navigator or page navigator, we will have to select particular bookmark group. That's why we have grouped it. Let me show you how we can use it. So for that, let's go to insert, and then we have buttons. So if you click on the buttons, and at the bottom you can see navigator, which will give the sub menus bookmark navigator or page navigator. For this design, I'm gonna choose bookmark navigator. Since we have bookmarks, this bookmark navigator will show all the bookmarks that we have. So we already have this group 1 which has table and chart. That is the reason we create groups, so that we can assign a particular group to this bookmark navigator. And how we can assign that? For that, we'll have to open this format pane, and in this format pane, let's close this bookmark pane. In this format navigator, we'll go to the bookmark section here, and from here we can choose the group. So for this design, we can choose the group 2, and it will show the two bookmarks, table and chart. We can make it small, and if I control plus click, chart is selected. So as you can see, this bookmark navigator is already formatted. So in the latest Power BI update, Microsoft has brought a new preview feature where you can enable the modern visual defaults, and if you create any visualization, it will have the clean and formatted look by default. So you don't have to format it from the scratch. How to enable this feature? So you should have the latest updated Power BI desktop, and after that you'll have to enable one preview feature. For that, you can go to the settings. From here it will basically open the options pane, and here you can go to the preview features. And from here, if you go down, you can see this modern visual defaults and customizing theme improvements. You can enable this, and you will have that preview feature in your desktop as well. So we have created this bookmark. This design looks something basic. You can turn this design to this with very quick change. So you can select this and we'll collapse this bookmarks pane. So to do this change, we'll work only with the style option and the size and style option. First, let's go to the style, and you can see the default is selected in the state. So in this default, what we are going to do first is we will disable this border. So if we disable this border, it is looking something like this. Next, we'll collapse this and we'll go to the size and style. And from here, we'll add padding. So you can add 6 to all the 4 sides like this. After we add the padding, we can enable the background and we can enable the visual border. Let's go to the other states like selected, and let's check if the border is there. So border is off. Let us go and check the size and style again. So I don't know what happened, but this upper and lower padding has been made 0. So we can make it 6 and the lower one as 6 again. So you will get a design something like this. If I click on table, a gray background is appearing. If I hover over the table, the gray background is appearing. So we don't want that. For that, what we can do is we can go to the style again, and in the state we can choose hover, and we have this fill. We can make the transparency as 100%. And now if we hover over it, the gray background will not appear. But if we click on chart, you can see the gray background. If you want to disable that, you can change the state to pressed. Go to the fill and make this one transparent as well. So now if I click on chart and table, gray backgrounds will disappear. And this is how we can create this design. Next, if you want to change this design to this gray and white color combination, so for that, what we can do is we can go to the size and style, and in this size and style, this background we can make as gray color with 10% darker. Next, we'll go to the style, and in this style we'll go to default. In this default, we can change this fill color to the same gray color, and we'll go to the selected state, and in the selected state We can change the fill color to the white color. So we'll have to change the text as well. So here we have text which is white in color. So we'll change it to the black color. So our design is ready. So this is how we can create this design in Power BI. If you need my help and want to connect one-on-one with me, you can book a call on Topmate. And if you want to buy Power BI reports along with the dataset and BRD document, you can check out the products I have here. I have provided the links in the description. See you there. These are the books that I highly recommend buying that can take your Power BI skills to the next level. These 3 books can cover almost all the aspects of Power BI, from DAX to Power Query to the overall Power BI dashboarding. You can find the link of these books in the description. Check them out if you want to level up faster. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.